Yeah, just a little update from this morning. It's been about 4 hours since I last posted, and conditions are pretty much the same. Not sure how close to us the storm has come yet, because I mean, based on what the news say, boy, things are go rough and things are go bad. We don't really see that. We see the extent of the breeze. We see a little bit of, a pickup with the breeze and the winds, but we're not seeing a major thing from my area. I mark you, I have not ventured out to anywhere to see if anything is worse. The winds are doing their thing. But it happens only in the different little cycle of the band them as the band them spin round. So far pretty much we're okay. We just have one chill. We see some people on the beach and all them thing there. Yeah, I'm not so adventurous in my old age. You understand? So we just there we are. I go and build and I watch a thing. Yeah. But I think some of the news is sensationalizing it a little bit too much. It's a storm. It a go happen. Breeze a go blow. And stuff. But yeah, this is probably the most breeze we get from this morning. And we have a tree in front of our house, so see it? But aside from that, the sky has been grey all day. The breeze is a welcome touch from all of the heat we are feeling in South Florida. I guess as it goes closer to the upper areas of Florida, like in the Broward County and the different areas them up so far, that they might feel it a little bit more than us who are in Miami-Dade. So the thing said, but just to make sure so everybody knows that the Matthew that was forecast as ominous and terrible and all of that, we not really see that right here, so. Thanks be to God. We just have to like a breeze a blow and thing. You see? Yeah, so now we go back and start eat out but the Matthew supply them, cause all of the Matthew supply, the corned beef and the Hurricane Gilbert food where they buy and stuff. Yeah, I forgot to deal with it. I tell you that straight. Yeah. Might as well work it, I wonder if I can bring back the bottle of water then I'm like I buy some whole of water. I don't know whole of water. I buy about 6 gallons of water. Yeah. And I make sure I pull no flashlight or nothing from Home Depot, because if no storm no keep, I bring them back. Yes. If no storm keep it, I am bringing back my flashlight then. Yeah, you think me idea? I make sure I bring back that. Yeah, see the neighborhood rain a fall. Yeah, and it them tree them I worry about with the light. But otherwise from that, just regular road I keep people them up on the road same way. And yeah, so things set there, man. Watch it. Storm reporting. Yeah, the belly.